In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Canva website link. First, open Canva and log in using your usual account. Give the editor a moment to load so everything on your dashboard is visible. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're in the one where your website design lives to avoid confusion later. Next, head to Projects, sometimes labeled Your Designs, and locate the website design you want to share. This should be the design you've laid out specifically to function as a website, whether it's a single-page landing page or a multi-section layout. Click to open it so you're viewing it in the Canva editor exactly as you want others to see it. Now look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Share button. This is the central place in Canva where you control how your work is distributed. Even if you've shared designs for collaboration before, this time you'll be preparing a public website link, so you'll choose a different option. From the sharing options, select Publish as Website. Canva will package your design and host it for you, which means you don't need separate web hosting or code. You'll typically see a few publishing preferences, like how pages transition or display. If you're unsure, the default settings work well for most basic sites, and you can always return and update later. Click to proceed and give Canva a moment to generate the live version. After it finishes publishing, Canva will show your website URL right on the screen. This is your public link, the address anyone can visit to see your site. If it takes a few seconds, that's normal. Canva is creating and caching the live page. Once the link appears, you're good to go. Click the Copy button to copy the link to your clipboard. If you don't see a dedicated button, you can also highlight the link and use your keyboard shortcut, Control-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac. Keeping a copy in a Notes app or document can be handy so you can grab it quickly later. Finally, paste or share this link wherever you want. Drop it into social posts, add it to your bio, include it in messages or emails, or share it in chats with your team. Because it's a web URL, anyone with the link can open it in a browser on desktop or mobile. That's it. You opened your design, used Share, published as a website, copied the URL, and shared it wherever you need. Simple, fast, and ready to go.